think a girl will just tell you when she likes you? Think again. Most of the time, attraction isn't obvious. It's hidden in the little things she does. She won't always come right out and say it, but if you pay close attention, you'll see the signs. If you've ever wondered whether she's into you, watch closely, because these subtle behaviors might just give you the answer. 1. Challenges your opinions. If she playfully debates you or challenges your opinions, she's not just being difficult, she's engaging with you on a deeper level. A girl who likes you won't just agree with everything you say. She'll push back to keep the conversation exciting and test how you think. It's her way of building tension and seeing if you can match her energy. If she enjoys these back and forths, chances are she's invested in getting to know you in a way that goes beyond just small talk. 2. Tailors humor to you. When a girl likes you, she adapts her humor to match yours, even if it's different from her usual style. She might start using your favorite catchphrases, playfully tease you the way you tease her, or suddenly find your jokes funnier than before. This isn't just her trying to impress you. It's her way of creating a unique connection. If she puts effort into aligning her humor with yours, it's a clear sign she wants to build something more personal between the two of you. 3. Brings up your passions. A girl who likes you will remember and bring up the things that excite you. Maybe she suddenly asks about your favorite sports team, the band you mentioned weeks ago, or the hobby you nerded out over once. She's not just making small talk. She's showing that she listens and values what matters to you. Sometimes she'll even do a little research just to keep up with the conversation. If she remembers the details about your interests, it's because she wants to feel connected to what makes you happy. 4. Shares vulnerabilities. Opening up about personal fears, insecurities, or deep emotions isn't something people do with just anyone. If a girl shares her struggles or lets you in on parts of her life that she doesn't openly talk about, it means she trusts you. Vulnerability creates emotional intimacy, and if she feels safe enough to be real with you, that's a strong sign of genuine interest. She's not just looking for surface-level connection, she wants to build something deeper by letting you see the side of her that most people don't get to see. 5. Consistent check-ins. Random texts, quick check-ins, and just because messages are a major sign of interest. If she reaches out for no specific reason, just to ask how your day is, or send you a meme, it means you're on her mind. A girl who likes you doesn't wait for an excuse to talk to you. She'll find small ways to stay in touch. These little interactions may seem casual, but they show she wants to keep a connection going even when there's nothing important to talk about. 6. Social media deep dives. If she likes an old Instagram post or comments on something from months ago, she's definitely been looking through your profile. This isn't just curiosity. It's her way of getting to know you beyond your daily interactions. A girl who likes you will subtly engage with your online presence, whether that's reacting to your stories, remembering details from your posts, or bringing up something from your feed in conversation. In today's digital world, a deep dive into your social media is often a modern-day version of showing interest. 7. Notices mood shifts. You seem a little different today. Everything okay? If she picks up on small changes in your mood or energy, she's paying close attention. Most people overlook subtle shifts in behavior, but if she's noticing, when you're quieter than usual or seem stressed, it means she's emotionally in tune with you. A girl who likes you won't just notice, she'll care enough to ask. It's a sign she sees you as more than just another person in her life and genuinely wants to be there for you. 8. Defends you in absence. If a girl speaks highly of you when you're not around, that's a major indicator of her feelings. She might correct misconceptions, stand up for you in conversations, or just make sure others see the best in you. This isn't just about loyalty, it's about pride. She wants people to know the version of you that she sees and respects. If you ever hear from friends that she's been saying great things about you, it's likely because she truly values and admires you. Sometimes, the biggest signs of interest aren't loud or obvious. They're hidden in the little things. If you start paying attention, you'll notice that when a girl really likes you, she'll show it in ways that speak louder than words.